Guam is truly a beautiful island, but it doesn't come without its own inherent trash and pollution issues. Some people just don't care, I guess. This morning we took an early morning walk to get a little exercise before we headed over to one of the new local supermarkets to get some water and some fish. And here's what we found. I got drunk and forgot their M&Ms. Yeah, even on Guam, we got people who don't give a crap.
Discretion is a rare and tragically undervalued quality.
Budweiser over there, Corona here. Right here at the water's edge. People come in here and they drink, just throw their fucking bottles, cans.
What a shame.
Nasty people. Oh yeah. That's what we're going to eat at the bowling alley next week. That catamaran never goes anywhere and just sits there. Well, that completes our 1.6 mile walk this morning. And the park looks a little bit trashed out today. Over the weekend, I guess beer drinkers had their way.
You have no idea.
And the guys with the trucks are here to pick it all up this morning. I think it'd be pretty easy just to sit here as a cop. As soon as somebody's parked in the parking lot with a pickup truck drinking beer, they should give them a ticket for all the beer cans on the ground.
Okay. Let's get some supper first.
That would be the easy thing to do, wouldn't it? All right, where we going, hon?
Let's get some water.
Okay, you're the navigator. I'm just the driver. We need water. We're at the new Payless supermarket. Open 24 hours. They have a deli. We're here getting water by the bucket, so to speak.
Authenticating fan. Authenticating.
I'm gonna get water. Down in that end. Do it yourself, water refill. essential items. Fish, donuts, letzi flan, and green beans. All essential.
Yeah.
And water. Morning. Today is the 10-year anniversary of the death of Bin Laden. And life goes on.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see about that. Adios.